Die Regina Mundi Kerk in die hartjie van Soweto sou eersdaags 'n nuwe soort vertoning sien, wanneer die Minnesota Orchestra al die pad van die FSA 'n spesiale vertoning hier kom lewer in hierdie ikoniese kerk.
It's very similar to what we would do in an outdoor setting with the Minnesota Orchestra. We came down many months before and took a look at the church and made some plans and measurements and submitted those. And so this is a result of that planning.
Hierdie vorm deel van 'n landwye toer en hulle het al onder meer stede soos Durban, Kaapstad en Pretoria besoek. Altesaam 93 musikante sal Vrydag aand klassieke musiekliefhebbers in hierdie ikoniese kerk vermaak.
Die mense van Minnesota wat op toer is hierso, omtrent 300 van hulle, is almal mense wat opgewonde is oor ons land. Hulle kan nie ophou praat nie. Hulle stop my in die oggend by ontbyt. Hulle keer ons voor, sê hoe dankbaar is hulle dat ons het nooit gedink dat ons land so wonderlik is nie.
I don't know if I should give all the surprises away. There are certainly some very South African themed music. We have a South African composer as well that classical movements had paid for to do a new piece, so that's one of the surprises. And then we have some encores planned that I don't know if I should give it all away because I want you to come to the concert.